Welcome back to another cocktail to cupcake transformation. Today, I'm going to show you how to create chocolate orange coffee cupcakes inspired by the popular Spanish coffee cocktail. If you're a fan of coffee and you enjoy after dinner drinks, then you'll love this combination of dark chocolate, espresso caramel, and coffee buttercream. The orange zest in the cupcake elevates the cocoa, while the subtle coffee liqueur enhances the sweetness of the buttercream. The cupcake is so rich, you may want to skip your after dinner cocktail and indulge in this decadent dessert instead. In this video, you'll learn all about before and after dinner drinks, the Spanish coffee cocktail, and how to pull its flavors to create your own Spanish cocktail-inspired cupcake. For a coffee-free version, stay until the end and I will give you tips on how to modify this recipe. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nerlan and I love to bring you tips and tricks on how to create Boozy Cupcakes. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll always know when I upload new videos. Having a drink with a meal is a long-standing tradition throughout the world. Here in the United States, it's common to go to a happy hour or to grab cocktails before dinner and then finish off with coffee. In Europe, they have perfected this tradition. It started in ancient Rome with the elite indulging in alcoholic drinks and nibbles to whet their appetite before a dinner or banquet. In the 1800s, with the invention of vermouth, which was inexpensive and readily available, cafe culture blossomed in Rome and popularized the aperitif or aperitivo. Aperitivo is a time after work, before dinner, to unwind with an aperitif. An aperitif is an alcoholic beverage consumed before dinner in order to stimulate the appetite. It's usually dry, such as vermouth, dry sherry, or champagne, and is served with salty bites like nuts, olives, or cheese. In the 1900s, the French expanded on the tradition of the aperitivo by introducing a digestif after meals. A digestif is an alcoholic beverage consumed after a meal to help settle the stomach and aid in digestion. It has a high alcoholic content and tends to be sweet or bitter, like fortified wine, brandy, herbal or sweet liqueurs. Some countries such as Spain, Colombia, Mexico, and Cuba favor a spiked coffee called carajillo as their preferred digestif. Carajillo is a hot coffee drink to which hard liquor is added. The exact recipe is different depending on the region, but always includes coffee or espresso. Rum is added in Cuba, brandy is added in Colombia and Spain, and mezcal or coffee liqueur or liqueur 43 is added in Mexico. The more elaborate recipes also include citrus and spices and call for warming up the liquor. Here's a fun fact. The word carajillo comes from the Spanish word coraje, which means courage. Back in the days when Cuba was still a province of Spain, the soldiers used to combine rum and coffee to give them courage before going into battle, hence the term carajillo. Today's cocktail inspiration for our cupcake is the American version of carajillo called Spanish coffee. Adapted from the Mexican carajillo, Spanish coffee is the signature drink of Huber's Bar in Portland, Oregon. It was created by the co-owner James Louis in the 1970s and is a huge draw for tourists and locals. What makes this cocktail so special is its preparation, which is a spectacle. First of all, it's prepared tableside and starts by rimming the glass with sugar, adding 150 proof rum and triple sec, then lighting the liquor on fire until the sugar caramelizes. Kahlua is added to extinguish the flame, followed by hot coffee, a layer of whipped cream sprinkled with nutmeg. To make a simpler version of the Spanish coffee, in a small glass stir together aged or spiced rum, triple sec, coffee liqueur like Kahlua or Mr. Black, and coffee or espresso. Top it off with whipped cream and a dash of nutmeg. If you prefer tea over coffee, a good alternative for a digestif is a chai white Russian. Check out my chai white Russian cupcakes video for recipes and more information. It will be linked in the description box below. To create our Spanish coffee cocktail-inspired cupcake, we'll use orange zest for the citrus in the triple sec, espresso caramel for the coffee, rum and coffee liqueur to flavor the creamy buttercream. In the end, we get a coffee lover's dream dessert in this dark chocolate orange cupcake filled with espresso caramel, topped with espresso caramel buttercream, and dusted with cocoa powder. As much as I enjoy my morning cup of joe, dessert cocktails like the Spanish coffee are a guilty pleasure. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite coffee cocktail. Now that we've identified the flavors to use and the components for a cupcake, it's time to put it all together. The cupcake starts with my easy dark chocolate cupcakes recipe, to which we add orange zest and coffee. This recipe uses the Hershey dark cocoa powder for more intense flavor. The link to the full recipe will be in the description box below. The cupcakes are baked at 350 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes. For the espresso caramel, simmer heavy cream on low heat, then mix in espresso powder and set aside. In another large pan, stir water and sugar at medium heat until sugar is dissolved, then stop stirring and cook the sugar mixture until it turns a dark amber color. Add the espresso cream and continue stirring until smooth. Remove from heat, add vanilla extract, then set aside to cool. Reserve a portion for the frosting and fill a piping bag with the rest. The frosting is an American buttercream and starts with beating the butter until light. Add in the powdered sugar, mixing on low until well combined. Then add the rum, coffee liqueur, and espresso caramel. Once all incorporated, increase to medium speed and whip until the frosting is light and fluffy. For the assembly, pour the cupcakes and fill them with the espresso caramel. Pipe the frosting on the cupcakes and garnish with a dusting of cocoa powder. You can also finish it off with more caramel if you want. A bite of the cupcake delivers citrus notes coming through the rich dark chocolate, a burst of coffee flavor from the espresso caramel, leading to a sweet creamy finish of the coffee buttercream. As promised, if you like this recipe but are not a fan of coffee, here are some modifications you can make in order to get similar results. Use water instead of coffee in the cupcakes. Omit the espresso in the caramel. Replace the coffee liqueur with triple sec in the buttercream. That's it. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed today's cocktail to cupcake transformation. It really helps the channel and it helps other people find the content on YouTube. As always, it was a pleasure hanging out with you. Until next time, remember to eat and drink responsibly. Bye!